let's make it awesome. So we are making an edible fidget spinner again. You remember in the last video that we did this, and we are going to try it again with this new fidget spinner. We're going to use Mike and Ike or chocolate. So you mix these together, they do feel good, but you gotta mix them fast because it molds up. Yikes! Yours, but it won't come out. Yikes! Pause this video and see what will happen. And try and guess what will happen. Like your fidget spinner, just take these two, and it can be any fidget spinner, but it has to be like this on the outside. And so push them together. If you want to make a mini yo-yo, it's a mini version of a big one. So just take some string, a long piece of string, okay, but not too long, because then it'll probably get out. So you get it in, tie a knot, pull it, then wrap it around, then make another knot so your middle finger can go through and make it, or you can just make it with a little clear. You have to wait 20 minutes for this to dry out. So, while we are waiting, let's get to it. I think one more piece and that's good. So we got that. Let's set this up. Put this in the freezer. And chocolate was a little bit messy. It's gonna be Mike and Ike waterfall before I do it. My favorite color is lemon, lime, and orange. There it is. See what you think is going to turn out. Rainbow, normal, sticky, or my favorite, melted rainbow, multicolored. Holy cow, that's actually a good mold. But the question is, will it still spin? None of that in. That's good. Three, two. Oh, still spins. because it breaks. See? Oh yeah! Found it. Get ready to be amazed. Perfect! First ever. Oh wait, I forgot what? Can pretend. Ooh, we didn't exactly get it, but that's how it will look. Didn't come out like we planned, but we tried. Here's something for you.